Today you're gonna have to draw this shifter fork that you are seeing in front of you. All right. Our dimensions are in inches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on new there. Okay, come English standard inches and gonna go create. So don't worry about this message anyway. I mean, I've been going through it a lot. Then I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna start with some lines for guidance. I'm gonna choose a drawing plane that is YZ. So once I'm in here, I'm gonna put that one there. So this is my drawing plane. I mean, my line for guidance. So I want this one here to be let's say 20 inches. Okay, don't worry about those dimensions though, but they're gonna help me a lot anyway. And then I'm gonna go for the other line. Okay, that is my line. The next thing that I want or I need this line here to be 45 degrees above this horizontal line. So that needs to be 45 degrees. Okay, so once I have that in place, I'm gonna go for circles. So that's my first one. This is my second. That's my third. Okay, and then I'm gonna come on this side as well. 1 and 2. So I want from there, okay, from here up to here to be, you know, as per my sketch, 6.5 inches. Okay, and again I want this one here to be 2 inches. That need to be 2 inches, and this one need to be 1 inch. Okay, this side as well. So that one need to be 1 inch. Okay, the following one need to be 1.5 inches, and the third one need to be 3.5 inches. Right, so after this I'm gonna go for these lines here. So that is my first line, and this is my second line. Okay, and now I want this line to be tangent to that one. This line need to be tangent to that one. That need to be tangent to that one, and those need to be tangent to that one. Okay, once I'm satisfied with that, then I'm gonna come here and choose a rectangle. So that rectangle will be fine for me. So the rectangle need to go from there up to here. Okay, there is my rectangle, and I want now this rectangle to be from there up to there to be 1 inch. Okay, that is 1 inch. Okay, it's fine there. That is 1 inch, and I want now from there up to here to be, I can give it 3.8 inches. Okay, as long as it's, you know, about this, you know, the circle there with 3 inches. That's all I want. Then I go for trim to remove all the parts that I don't need or I don't want on my sketch. So I'm gonna remove that part. So I'm gonna remove this one here. I'm gonna remove that one. I'm gonna remove that one. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, so once I'm done with those, then I'm gonna go for the 3D model. I think that's it. That's it. I'm gonna go for a 3D model. I'm gonna go with revolve. So here I want to revolve this part, okay, against this axis. All right, so then I say okay, then I come again, I go and revolve there. I save sketch visibility on. So once the visibility is on, I need to give dimensions like you can see there. So I come back here again, I go on 3D model, I say extrude. So I'm going to extrude this part here, okay, according to my sketch by 4. It's 4 point what? 4.5. So that needs to be 4.5, but both sides, you know, like that, both sides of that line. Then I say okay. So once I have that one, I'm gonna come here again, I say extrude again. I'm gonna extrude this part inside here. If you see properly here, you can see that there's a there's a step there, that step that you're seeing there. Then I'm gonna make sure that I have it this side as well. So I'll come here, then that is fine with me, but this side is the one that I need to work on. So there, come on. So that's one need to be 1.65. Okay, that's it. Yeah, 65, that's all I needed. Then I say okay, like that. Alright, the next step that I need now, I'm gonna come up here. Check here. I'm gonna come there, I click on it, I say new sketch. So once I'm here, I'll come with a rectangle. Okay, I need a rectangle. So there is my rectangle. Then I want this rectangle to come like this. So there is my rectangle, alright? And this one here, I need it to be, to avoid confusion, that need to be 2 inches. And since 2 inches from there up to there, that need to be 1 inch. Great. Okay. I think something moved there, but it's not a big issue, So that is fine with me. And then I'll then come here and draw this rectangle. So as per this rectangle, that's one they need to be 1 inch. Okay, that need to be 1 inch, and from there up to there, it needs to be 0.5 inch. Okay, once I'm satisfied with that, I'm gonna come here and trim the spot here. That and that, this and that. I can just delete that one. Then I'm gonna go for a 3D model. I say extrude. I want to cut the spot here and that spot there, so it can go down. I want to cut it by what? According to my sketch, by 0.75. Okay, 0.75. No, I made a mistake. That's into 0.7. Need to be 1.5. Okay, sorry, 1.5. all right, then I say okay. So that is done there. Okay, the next thing that I need to have this spot here. So I'm gonna come back here. So this need to be done on which plane? So y is xz, sorry. I'm gonna click on xz there, then I go on plane there. I try to punch it, but I want it to be at 0, so 0.0. So it need to go back there. I say okay. Then I come there by the corner. I say new sketch. Once it gives me that, I come by the corner again. I say slash graphic. Once I have that one there, then I'm gonna start with this. So I'm gonna draw this rectangle here. Does not matter how far it can go, but this one here needs to be 2.25. okay, so sorry for that. So 2.25, which means 2.25. So which means sorry for that, from there up to there, that need to be 1.25. was it? Is it 1.25 or 1.75? 1.75. That is the correct answer. So 1.75, and now according to my drawing, from that spot to there, that need to be 2.5. So that need to be 2.5. okay, that need to be 2.5. okay, and I'm gonna go and do this. I go there, then I come here. So that's great. I go for escape, and then I trim this spot here. So I trim that spot. So I'm done with that. Then I'm gonna say 3D model, extrude. So I need to extrude this part here. There we go. Check here, like that. So I'm gonna go cut it. So I can go as far as I want. I can go with 6 inches. but need to go, not only one side but this side as well. So I'm gonna go there. So I'm gonna say up and down, then I say okay. So once that is done, you can see now how my drawing looks like. Okay, so now I need to come here. I can come here and say new sketch. So once I'm there, I'm gonna go for the circle, and the circle here need to be 1 inch, right? Yeah, the circle need to be 1 inch. Sorry, the diameter need to be 1 inch, so that need to be 1 inch. All right, and from there up to there, that need to be 0.75. all right, then I go on 3D model, I say extrude. I'm gonna cut that support there. 6 inches is fine for me, so both sides like that. Then I say okay. All right, then I'll come here to make my drawing looks beautiful. I'm gonna say visibility removed, and then I want to remove that plane, that drawing plane. Then I'll go here and I say visibility off. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna have to kill the corners. Okay, so first I'll start here. I'll click there and then I click on the fillet. So that one is fine for me, 0.125 inches. I'll say apply. Okay, it's applied there already. Then I'll select that one. I'll press Control, select spot. Okay, I'll try to turn my drawing, select that spot, select this spot as well, turn it again, select that spot, select that spot, select this spot, and then turn it, select this spot here. Then I click on the fillet, then 0.125, fine with me. Great. So now check out how your drawing looks like. Right, so everything is there, all the parts. So the next thing that I want now is to give the material, just the same. You just made your shifter fork, right? So now let's give it the material. So this one here, I'm a fan of gold, so I think I'm gonna go with gold. Where's gold here? You can go with stainless steel. Let's go for stainless steel. Where's stainless steel here? Stainless steel. Yeah, that's beautiful though. That's also fine, but let's give it, something expensive. Where's gold? So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I don't want you to miss what's gonna happen in the next video. And please, you can join our membership, so that you can be a member to our channel. And don't forget to punch the bell for notification, right? So see you on the next video. Bye. Take care.